If you're trying to type the diameter symbol and can't find it on your keyboard, here's the quickest way to do it on Windows, Mac, and mobile. On Windows, search for Character Map and open it. When it opens up, you'll see all these symbols. To easily locate the diameter sign, you need to do a search, and to do that, come down here and click on this checkbox where it says Advanced View. It will reveal these extra options. Down here, you should see this search box. Use it to search for the diameter symbol. Just type the word O with stroke in the search box and hit the Enter key. As you can see, the diameter symbol will show up for you to copy. And to copy this symbol, simply double-click to select it. Once it is selected, you'll see it here in the Character to Copy field. Then click on the Copy button, and it will be copied to your clipboard. Now switch to where you need to insert the symbol and press Ctrl+V to paste. To insert the diameter symbol on Word directly, click on the Insert menu, hover over Symbol, then select More Symbols. Next, select the diameter symbol and click Insert. Alternatively, hold the Alt key and type 0216 on your numeric keypad to type the diameter symbol. If your keyboard doesn't have a numpad, then in the Windows search bar, type On-Screen Keyboard and open it. On Mac, press Option+Shift+O and the diameter symbol will appear instantly. You can also press Control-Command-Space to open the character viewer and search for the symbol. On iPhone or Android, open your browser and search for diameter symbol. You'll find the diameter symbol there. Just copy the symbol and paste it where you want it. That's it. Now you know the fastest ways to type the diameter symbol on any device. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.